Ducane pack unit. I think it's a gas pack or is it? No, it's a package unit. Yeah, I've never seen a unit like this before. If this stupid camera will focus, I'll be happy. It's 2.5 ton 12 SEER from 2002. And this would appear to be a heat pump. Central heat pump. So this is a heat pump, and this is one heck of a hack job. You should see inside of it. Look, do I have internet? And it's running in cooling mode in November. Oh, please let me have internet. This is a piece of junk. No, it's a heat pump. No. Okay, I do have internet, but it's locked. Anyways, I'm going to see if I can get the unit next door. It's a Tempstar split unit. Alright, now this is a Ducane packaged heat pump running in cooling mode. 12 SEER. I've never seen a unit this small before. This is a new unit to me. The compressor's in a sound enclosure. Alright, over and out. This is a Tempstar 10 SEER. It's straight cool because the thermostat's a single stage heat and cool. It's running in cooling mode in November. It's set to 72. It's matched up to Intertherm. No, wait, it's a heat pump. And why the heck is it a single stage thermostat? NHP 030 aka 2.5 ton from, it's 2000, 6th week of 2000. It's matched with Intertherm, Briar's Intertherm electric furnace with a Honeywell single stage thermostat. I don't know why, but auxiliary heat must not work. It's a heat pump with Intertherm furnace. Reciprocating compressor, very quiet. The weeds are,